Are you a business owner? Do you have a business that you feel so frustrated? Because, of course, you have the audience, but you never seem to have enough inventory. Like every minute you're sold out. You can't afford to buy enough for your customers. Guess what you need? You need business funding. You need free money, other people's money, rich organization money to help you take your business to the next level. And how can you get that? By getting my ebook, the grant writing secrets, the secrets to grant writing. In this ebook, I literally break down how I won 7 grants last year in 2024 and how you can use the same system, the same blueprint to start winning grants so you can stock up on all these raw materials and all these products that you can resell. On top of that ebook, I also have included a bonus of 6 week mentorship. So if you get the ebook, on top of it, you're going to get a free 6 week mentorship program. You're going to be in the group chat. We're going to have multiple webinars to show you, if you're a visual person, how to write winning grant applications. Don't miss out. Click the link. So if you are interested in grabbing the ebook, grab it now. Click the link in the description below. And I can't wait to see you in the group chat.